It's really super exciting to be here with all of you today. So yeah, let's build an agent together. So here we are in the new Joule Studio, where I can extend, build, and integrate agents. What I love about it is that it's fully integrated in the SAP ecosystem, but it's open at the same time. And I can build agents for my clients without even writing a single line of code. Philip just showed you the findings and newly proposed solution from the process consultant agent. Joule now has these uploaded, and I prepared a prompt to create our sales order rescue agent. So we tell Joule what we need to achieve, not how to do it, and Joule then investigates the requirements. So like this, we can fully focus on delivering business value to our clients. I now also want to make sure that I can refine my intent. So here, what we can now see is Joule will feel less like a developer tool and more like a colleague. So it checks back with me. So in this case, for example, it wants to understand which business unit this is about, and we are in specialty products. It also wants to understand what the main priority is for this use case. For me, this is making sure that I avoid the SLA breaches. So what is also really great is that Joule can also discover existing agents in our landscape. So one of our agents that we have built can modify business partner data, and this is also needed in this use case. So the beauty here is that every new AI solution is clean, governed, and reusable. Now I can review the intent, the problem statement, and I can also check the details of the proposed solution over here. I can also have a look at the sources used, so the business process, the data products, and every connection documented. That is really helpful for me, but also for everybody else who will work with the agent later. So from all that context, Joule is generating a product requirements document with the click of a button. This is a clear blueprint that used to take weeks, and we now have it in minutes. So I can even adjust it if needed. So I just go here in the chat, and I tell it that I also want to make sure that we check different shipping options. So once I did this, Joule updates the document accordingly, scrolling down a little. So here we can see this is now also updated. So for Joule, it is now time to build the solution. And for me, the hardest part is already done. So while Joule is building, let's have a look at an agent that we also prepared before so that you can see what is under the hood. So here, we can get an easy-to-consume overview on our full multi-agent system, and it's based on the integration with N8N. The agents are working together or coordinated through one orchestrated workflow. Now, the design also shows all tools and configurations used by the agent, and Joule Studio even auto-generates evaluation scenarios based on my data and landscape to check and monitor the performance of my agent later on. So, as a team, Joule and our consultants at Deloitte now turn tech and process know-how into agents running your business. AI and experts working together for an impact that matters.